When you're involved in a truck accident or your loved one is killed in a truck accident, you have to have someone who's going to be able to figure out how and why this occurred. The truck industry has its own specialized regulations. They have their own ways of keeping records, and you have to have an attorney who's knowledgeable and experienced in obtaining those records. You have to have an attorney who's knowledgeable about the causes and reasons why a truck accident occurs. It may be because the trailer brakes have failed. It may be because that the driver's been driving too many hours and is in violation of the log requirements. When you're injured catastrophically by a truck collision or your loved one is killed, you want the best. At the Jasmer Law Firm, I've been trained to be a truck accident litigator from the time that I was a small boy, hearing my dad talk about his cases, all the way through Michigan Law School, through working for one of the top firms in the city, and now in my own firm. I'm going to bring a level of passion, I'm going to bring a level of intellect, I'm going to bring a level of experience, and I'm going to bring a proven track record of results.